Hi, Fock.
Hi, teacher.
And how are you today?
I'm fighting.
Good. Okay. Okay, sweetie, we're going to look at let's go up here. Going to do unit 7, which is down here. Okay. Okay, here we're going to look at, I just want to see something here. Here we're going to look at the words here: comedy, science fiction, horror, action, drama, animated. Let's have a comedy is number F. Okay. Number 2, science fiction. What would science fiction be?
Oh, science fiction is Happy World.
Say again?
P. It's P.
No, that's not science fiction.
Oh, it's E.
Say again, I can't hear. Which one?
It's C.
Yes, it's C. That's science fiction. Okay, next one. Let's read the next one.
Horror. It's A.
Yes.
Action is D.
Yes.
Action is D.
Yes.
Drama is it's E.
Mm-hmm.
Animated is B.
Good. Okay. What kind of movies do you like?
My favorite movie is it's Dragon Ball Super.
No, what kind of movies do you like?
I like horror movie.
Horror movies. Okay. Okay, listening we can't do. Okay. Let's read here. Okay, let's read this one. Can you read this one for me?
Do you want to see the movie on Saturday? Sure. What time is the movie? It's at 3 p.m. Great.
Good. Good. Okay. Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time. We use prepositions of time to say when things happen. Okay. Use on with days and dates. At for specific times. And in for the period of the time. Okay, let's read here. Can't hear you, sweetie.
The movie is on Saturday. Do you want to see a movie on March 6th? What time is the movie? The movie is at 3 p.m. I watch a lot of movies in the winter.
Good. Right, the time words in the correct boxes. Okay, let's do this one here. Okay, now you have to choose the words. We're going to do this one here, okay? On Saturday, what will 6:30 be?
On Tuesday night.
No, what will 6:30 be?
At 6:30.
At 6:30, yes, good. This summer.
In the summer.
Christmas Day.
On Christmas Day.
Good. Tuesday night.
On Tuesday night.
Bedtime.
At bedtime.
Okay. Okay, sweetie, carry on.
On the evening.
No, it's not on the evening. You can't sit on the, or you can't be on the evening.
In the evening.
Yes.
At July 7th, 27.
No, it's not at. You can't be at that place.
On July 27.
Yes. On July 27.
At my birthday.
It depends what the question is. If it's a clown will be at my birthday, or I could say, last year on my birthday, I received a car. So birthday can be both. It can be, depends what the sentence is. On my birthday can be on my birthday or at my birthday. Okay, the morning.
In the morning.
3 o'clock.
At 3 o'clock.
May.
On May.
Can't be on a month.
At May.
In May. In May. Okay, let's fill in the blanks here. I'm going to see a movie on Saturday at 4 p.m. Number 2.
I like to watch TV and play games on the evening.
I like to watch TV and play games.
I like to watch TV and play games in the
in the evening. Number 3.
I am playing soccer at 2 p.m. What are you doing on Sunday 10 a.m.? What do you like to do in the summer? My English lesson is it's on 10:30 in the morning.
No, it can't be on.
My English lesson is in 10:30 in the morning.
My English lesson is at 10:30 in the morning. Okay, let me just see here. Okay, let's practice the conversation, okay? You will be Toby and I will be Emma.
Hello, Emma.
Hi, Toby.
Do you like dramas?
Yeah, I do. Why?
There's a drama on at the movie theater on Saturday night. Do you want to go?
What time is it on?
At 7 o'clock.
That sounds great. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the movie theater at 6:30.
Okay. All right. Now, now we're going to use the same conversation, but we're going to use these words, okay? So now you're going to be Toby. We're going to do this conversation, but choose words from the other box, okay? Okay, let's start.
Hello, Emma.
Hi, Toby.
Do you like comedies?
Yeah, I do. Why?
There's a comedy on at the movie theater on Friday night. Do you want to go?
There's a drama on at the movie theater. There should be a comma. On, okay. What time is it on?
At 6 o'clock.
That sounds great. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the theater at 6:30.
Okay. Okay, good. Now you know the idea of it. Okay, let's have a look here. It's movie night. Okay. Okay, here we're going to look at opposites. So you're going to use it as opposites, okay? Terrible and fantastic.
Awful and awful and great.
Okay. Sad.
Sad and exciting.
Sad and funny.
Boring and exciting.
Okay. Now we have to read these two reviews. Now Tina wrote two reviews. It's about two movies, so it's two different reviews. It's a Picture Day review and it's a Sally's Travels review. Now at the end, there's two sentences at the end. There's one and there's one. But when you read, you must only choose one sentence at the end, because they are contradicting each other. So you must choose one. And it will depend on what you read here, what she says about the movie. Then you must choose the right in final sentence. So it's almost like a comprehension. Okay, so let's read Picture Day. I can't hear, sweetie.
I watched Picture Days yesterday. It was a very sad drama about two sisters. There was no action or adventure in this movie. The story was boring. The sister just talked all the time. I usually like dramas, but this was terrible. I don't watch this movie.
Good. Number two.
I saw Sally's Travels last week. I don't always like action movies, but this was fantastic. The story shows a hero, Sally, traveling in Australia, and it was very exciting. Sally was very funny. She fell in the river and I laughed so much. It was what a fantastic movie.
Excellent. So you chose that one, and what a fantastic movie. Now we're going to answer questions, okay? What kind of movie was Picture Day? It was a sad drama. It says there, I usually like dramas. It was very, here it says, it was a very sad drama. Number two, what did Tina think about the story in number one, in Picture Day? What did you think about
The story was boring.
Yes. The story was boring. Number three, now we are going to look at Sally's Travels. What kind of movie was it?
It was a fantastic story.
It was fantastic, but not the story. What did you say about the story? The story?
A story about adventure.
About?
A story about a hero named Sally is traveling in Australia.
What kind of movie was it? Not what was it about. Now you read what the story was about. What did she say about the story? Keep on reading.
It was a funny story.
Sally was very funny, not the story. Read again. What did she say about the story? Here.
I don't know.
Here, read there. The story, read the sentence. Oh, sorry. That's the story. That's number 4. What kind of movie was it? Sorry, sweetie. What kind of movie was it? At number 3.
It was a funny story.
No. What kind of movie was it? There's nothing about it.
It's a adventure story.
Okay, where do you see the word adventure? Show me the word adventure. Because you're making it up now. You must use the information that they give us. Sally's Travels. Where do you see the word adventure?
Oh, it was a fantastic story.
Here. I don't always like action movies. It was an action movie. What kind of movie? An action movie. Now, number 4, what kind of story? Read there. The story showed.
Tina thinks is fantastic.
Where do you... No, it's not what Tina thinks. The question is, what did she think about the story? Let's read there. The story, read the sentence until you get to a full stop. Okay, read it out loud so I can hear you. The story showed the hero Sally.
Traveling in Australia, and it was very exciting.
Okay, what did she say about the story?
Story is
Very
exciting.
Yes, that's what happens when you read the whole sentence. Then you get the answer. Well done. What is the story was exciting? What did Tina think about Sally? Now, Tina wrote this. What did she think about Sally?
Tina think about Sally that she is very funny.
Now, Tina think about Sally. Tina thought that Sally was very funny. Tina thought that Sally was very funny. Okay, good. Okay, now let's read here. Okay, can you read there for me?
I watched a horror movie last night. What was it? The Long Night. Was it good? Yes, it was fantastic.
Okay, now remember, I, he, she, it, we say was. You, we, and they, we say were. What was the movie? What was the movie? It was a great day. Was it good? Yes, it was. How was the movie? It was terrible. Where were they? They were in the movie theater. Were they happy? Yes, they were. What time were the movies? Now, where is not where. There's where. Where is a place. Where did they go? That's where. Okay. So don't read were as where. All right. Okay, let's do number B. I loved the movie. It was fantastic. Number 2, what?
What was it?
Yes. Number 3.
The movie was really exciting. You should go and see.
Good. Number 4.
Where were you yesterday?
Good.
Were they at the movie theater? What time was it on?
Good. Okay, now we're going to use this one. What was the movie you saw? It was The Great Bananas. Was it good? What will the answer be?
It was funny.
Yes, it was very funny. What time was it on?
It's on at 4 4 4:45 p.m.
What were the movies you saw last night? Can't hear you, sweetie.
It was The Great Banana.
Yes, or you can say the movies were The Great Banana? No.
It was
It,
the Time 7 and First Blood.
how were they?
They were exciting.
What time were they on?
They on at 7:30 p.m.
They
and
were on at. They were on. Okay. Okay, this is listening. Okay. Animated, let's talk about horror movie, comedy, and drama. What animated movie do you know? I can't hear you, sweetie.
name of animated is
I can't hear you. Fox, I can't hear you.
I don't know.
Okay, let's say Toy Story. Toy Story was great. What horror movie do you know?
Friday 13th.
Ah, Friday the 13th. And how was that movie? Scary.
It was scary.
Yes. A comedy. What comedy do you know? Do you know Mr. Bean? Do you know the movie Mr. Bean?
Yes, teacher.
Say again.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Do you watch Mr. Bean sometimes?
I sometimes watch it.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do. It was
What
funny.
about Tom and Jerry?
I don't really watch it much.
Okay. I'm just thinking about. But what about what? Don't know if that's funny. Okay, let's say Mr. Bean. You know what Mr. Bean is, eh?
Yes, teacher.
He's funny. What about a drama movie? What about Harry Potter? What do you think of Harry Potter?
It is fantastic.
It's fantastic. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna ask and answer questions. Okay, so I'm gonna say, I watched an anime yesterday morning. What was it? It was Toy Story. The other question that we ask. Was it good? Was it good? Yes. Was it good? Yes, it was great. Was it good? Yes, it was great. So these are the questions you're going to ask, and the other person will use on the board, okay? So for example, you go first. Hi, teacher.
Hi, teacher.
I watched.
Yesterday. Where were you yesterday?
No. Hi, teacher. I watched a horror movie last night. Look here, you have to use the information. Horror movie last night. Then I will say, what was it? It was Friday the 13th. Was it good? Oh, teacher, it was scary. Okay. Let's try again.
Hi, teacher. I watched a whole last night.
What was it?
It was Friday the 13th.
Was it good?
It was scary.
Okay. Hi, Fox. I watched a drama this afternoon.
What was it?
It was Harry Potter.
Was it good?
It was fantastic. Okay, now your turn.
Happy teacher. I watched a comedy in this morning.
No, I watched a comedy this morning, not in this morning. You can't be in the morning. Okay. This morning. What was it?
It was Mr. Bean.
Was it good?
It was funny.
Good. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, this one here. Number 1 is the army. What's number 2?
Number 2 is king.
Number 3.
Number 3 is queen.
Number 4.
Number 4 is soldier.
Soldier. Soldier. Okay, now we have to circle the correct one, A or B. And we have to look at the underlined words and choose the correct definition, the correct meaning of the word, okay? Okay, number 1. Let's read number 1.
The English and French armies fought the Battle of Hastings in
1066.
1066.
What does battle mean? A or B?
Fight between two soldiers.
A battle is a fight between two armies. Okay, read number 2. Napoleon Bonaparte.
Napoleon Bonaparte was a famous French general. He's only won 43 battles.
43 battles.
It's A, the leader of an army.
Yes, a general is a leader of an army. Okay, number 3.
It's 3-0 and there are only 5 minutes left. I think my lamb is going to
My
red
team.
win. My team, my team is going to win. It's A, in the first place.
Number 4. Can't hear you, sweetie.
Our soldiers fought well against the invaders and saved our town. It's A, an attacking army from another country.
Good. Okay, here we're going to read and choose the best answer in the block here. Okay. I watched an animated movie.
I watched an animated movie about Quang Trung. It was really cool. Quang Trung was a famous Vietnamese king. He was born in 1753. He was a great general. In 1785, he and his soldiers fought against an army from the south.
I can't hear. Against
an army from the south. He won many battles and became and became king in 1788, and Kang Chung went with his soldiers to meet them. He rode on an elephant and won the Great Battle of Napoleon in 1789.
Good.
Người anh hùng áo vải was a very interesting movie about Vietnamese history, and the animation was great.
What does invaders mean?
Invader means that attacking other countries.
Invader is someone or a person, someone who are not allowed in your house or school or country without permission, without you saying, yes, they are allowed to be there. If I walk into your school and I don't have a visiting slip or that I didn't sign the register, then I'm an invader. I don't belong there. I'm not allowed there. Nobody said I can be there. So invader is you're not allowed in somebody's house, in a person's house, a school, a country without permission. Okay. Oh. Read and write true or false. Quang Tran was born in 1788. False. Number 2, can you read number 2?
His army fought against an army from the south in 1789. Is false.
Okay, 3.
He fought invaders from the north, and before he become king.
Became king.
Became king. Is false.
Yeah, it's false. You fought an army from the south.
You won a great battle on the back of an elephant. Is true.
But it's funny that you will win a battle on the back of an elephant. A speaking practice.
A movie to work.
Now we have to use this to ask and answer questions. So for example, what
teacher, what do you say?
trunk tag, for example? Just thinking. Yeah, so you must ask and answer questions here. Can you think of a question?
Who is the first president?
Who is the first?
Who is the first president?
President. I'm not sure what you're asking. Ask again. Who is the first?
Who is the first president?
President. Where do you see the word president, sweetie?
On the right.
On the right. Look here. Here I marked for you. I can't see a word president there. Who was the Vietnamese female generals? That you can ask, but there's nothing about a president. Can you see? Who was the Vietnamese female generals? That you can ask. In which century were, don't know, they born? Oh, the Trung sisters. Oh, okay, here. Which year were they born? Not here, which year? When were they born? In the 1st century. When did Trung Trac become queen? When she turned 40. So that you can ask. You can ask who was the Trung sisters? That you can ask. You can ask where are they from? Vietnam. You can say, when were they born? In the 1st century. Who became queen? Trung Trac. And you can say, when? What was she famous for? She was famous for winning many battles against invaders. What was the movie? It was Trung Vuong. Okay, do you see the questions there?
Yes, teacher.
So it's these types of questions you can ask for the second one as well. Here. Okay, let's have a look at the second one. Okay.
Who was the king of Vietnam?
Yes.
Where are they from?
Good. Yes.
When they born?
When they born? When? Why they? Only one king. When was he born? Do you see? It's only one king. The previous, the one on the left is 2 sisters. This one is 1. So
When was he famous for?
not when, what? What was he famous for? When did he become king? Okay, let me help you. Who was the king of Vietnam? When was he born? It's only one person. Which year? When did he become king? What was he famous for? What is the movie called? Or what is the name of the movie? Or what was it? Or what is it? Okay. All right. Let me just see in what page we are at. Page 61. Okay, that's the end of the unit. Okay. Who was the first president of the USA?
The first president is George Washington.
The first president was. Not
The
is.
first president was George Washington.
When was he born?
He was born in 1732.
32. When did he become general?
He became general.
He became
in
general.
He became general in 1735.
75.
75.
What was he famous for?
He was famous for many
For
Many
fighting
battles.
many battles. For fighting many battles against Britain or the British. What was the last battle?
The last battles is of Yorktown
Was
was
of Yorktown
was of Yorktown
in 1781. When did he become president of the United States?
He became president of United States of America in 1789.
Yes, good job. Much better. You did very good today, Fock. I'm very proud of you. I will see you next time. Okay, sweetie? I'll see you soon. Bye, Fock.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, sweetie.